JEC.English. I'm Miss Sivik, and let's begin with today's video. 让我们开始今天的影片吧。
Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. So today we are already on to our episode 6 of how do you use idioms and proverbs correctly. So 今天呢，轮到我们的 episode 6了，如何正确的使用 idioms 跟 proverbs. Okay, be in our speaking or our writing. Alright, so guys and girls, 事不宜迟 let's begin. Alright, so are you guys ready? Remember to take out your notebook and jot down important things. Alright, so let's start. OK， 这样我们直接开始一下。So for today's episode, OK， 我们会看这3个 idioms. Alright, so basically 这3个 idiom 对老师我而言呢，我觉得是最时常我们可以用在作文的，尤其是当我们写 conclusion 的时候。So these 3 idioms are the basic and most useful idioms that we will always use when it comes to writing conclusion, especially for our essays. Okay, so I will just go through one by one. 第一个叫 think before one leaps. Okay, the word leap here, okay, 意思代表 to jump 跳。So if you need to think before you leap, that means 我们先三思而后行。Yes or no? That means you need to think about the consequences before doing something. Alright? 然后第二个 think twice 也是一样，三思而后行，对吗？跟这个 cry over spilled milk. Okay? So think twice also means the same thing as the first idiom. Alright? 这样 the third idiom, cry over spilled milk 就是后悔莫及啊。Okay, that means it is no use regretting right now. 明白老师我的意思 ？So as you can see, 老师我这边要强调 the word think, okay, and the word cry, they are all verbs, 都是动词。所以这3个 idioms 呢 ，OK， 我们都是要用把它当作是用动词来写进我们的作文，或者用在我们的 speaking 里面。So treat these 3 idioms as though you are using them as verbs, alright? 然后当然 for the first idiom 大家有看到这个 one 对不对 ？Okay, once again, back in episode 4还有5 okay, 老师我都有 mention 到 I've already mentioned that this particular word, okay, you need to change it to yes, the pronouns that you are using. Am I right? Okay, 你用这的那个代名词。所以希望大家还记得哦 okay? I hope all of you are still, you still remember about this and you still bear it in mind, right? So guys and girls, 这样我们直接看一下我们的 sample sentences, okay, to really drill the concept in, okay? So the first one, okay, alright, 我们一起看一下。So basically in the first sentence, okay, 这个是错的，为什么 ？We should not rush any decisions. 我们不应该冲动的去做决定 ，okay? We should not, be in a hurry when making any decisions. As the saying goes, think before one leaps. Okay, so basically, this is the most common mistake students make when it comes to writing idioms in essays. I don't know why 你们很喜欢 you guys just love to use as the saying goes, okay? Remember, this particular phrase, as the saying goes, is useful when you're writing proverbs, not idioms. Okay, y'all? Idioms are meant to be used together with the sentence itself. So 这个 idioms 呢，我们是直接借进我们的句子的，是不可以这样子写的。So 这个是大家要注意的一个点啦。Alright, so 这一边 okay, the first one is totally wrong. So the correct version of using this particular idiom would be the second sentence. Okay, 我们一起来看一下。So we should not rush any decisions. Instead, we should think before we leap. 或者 we should think twice. Alright, before doing anything. So guys and girls, okay, as I mentioned here, 有看到老师我这边已经改成 I've already changed the pronoun to we. 我已经改那个 one 改成 be 了 think before we leap. Okay, so make sure you use it according to the pronoun that you are using. Okay, so the last one then. 最后一个 sentence 呢 okay, 来我们可以看一下 so this one 来这个 part 老师我要强调okay, cry over spilled milk, we use it as though we are using verb 对不对所以 normal grammar rule applies here. For example, 这边的第3 when we think before we leap, 当我们三思而后行 we will not crying over spilled milk. Okay, why is this wrong? Because 你有看到这边有 modal verb will. Will 的后面动词是要放原本字 There's a modal verb will here. So, it means that any word that you are using after the word will must always be in base form. 一定要放原本字。所以正确的 should be the sentence written as number 1 here. Okay? So 他这边讲 when we think before we leap, 当我们三思而后行 we will not cry over spilled milk. 我们就不会后悔莫及。 Okay, so another way of using cry over spilled milk, 我们可以直接讲 It is no use crying over spilled milk. 明白吗？抓到是我的意思哦。So when you use it as a verb, 你可以加 ing, 你可以放原本字，你也可以把它变成 past tense. Okay, 接到老师我的线。Yeah, so basically that's it for today's episode. So once again, if you find this video and this episode useful, you can share it to your friends, okay? And you can actually, turn on your notifications as well as subscribe to my channel. So I will see you guys and girls in the next episode. Okay, also remember to leave your comments below regarding to any of the idioms as well as proverbs that you're not sure you're using correctly, alright? So 如果你不确定你用的是对的还是错的，你们可以留言在下面，老师我会尽量在下几次的 episodes, okay? 解释给你們聽 alright? So that's it. Okay, I will see you next week. Bye!
快樂嘅時間過得特別快，又係時間講拜拜。So hopefully you have learned a thing or two. So remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so I will see you in our next video. 下一次見，拜拜。